Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR RJ45 crimping kit. So we got a manual, so that's nice. So we got our crimper. We can see we got our slot for our RJ45 right there, and it has a blade on the other side. So that means it's going to be good for pass-through connectors. So if we want to release this, all we got to do is push this pin, and that will open it up. And you can see that blade goes up and down, so that will cut off those loose ends. And if we want to lock this, pull it down, push that pin back in. We can also see we got that razor right there. So if we want to cut, just use that slot. And if we want to strip cables, we can just use that slot. It comes with some gloves. We got our stripping tool. Can never have too many of these things. These are always awesome. This one actually feels pretty nice too. So there's a punch down tool, and we've got our razor for stripping. We got a bag full of strain reliefs. We got connectors. Oh, this is cool. They actually gave us a couple extra blades too. We got our tester. So it looks like this one worked for both phone lines and for RJ45. So all we would do is plug one end into here and then plug the other end into here. And if we want to use the phone line, we would use this side. But what's cool about this, if we need to test a very long line, we can separate this. So we can put this on one end of the line, and then we can still test it from the other side. Now these do use batteries. This uses a 9-volt. What's unusual and very good is they actually included a battery. So drop that guy in. Okay. So we're looking for orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. And before we go too far, we should probably put our strain relief on. Okay, so these are not push-through connectors, so we do need to make sure that we actually trim these to the correct length, which is not a problem. We just want to make sure that the crimp is going to be on the insulation, so we need to cut the wire right about there. So now we can insert that, make sure it's in all the way, and squeeze, and that is a connection. So this has two speeds. We got on, you can see how fast it's going, and then we got slow. So make it a little easier to read. Cool. So we got connection all the way down from 1 to 8. So this is a good cable. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice kit.